at the Florida Railroad Museum right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. And today we're going to take the 11 o'clock train to the ghost town of Willow, Florida. Stick with me. Hey guys, Catherine Newman, and you know I love to give you something fun to do with your kids or maybe your grandkids. And they have events all year long. I've got this little cheat sheet here with all kinds of events, as you can see, at the Florida Railroad Museum. And we're going to do the Willow ride today. It's an hour and a half, and we'll see how long it really takes. But I wanted to make sure that you knew that there's a lot to do here. If you haven't been to this channel before, I'd love for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. So let's get all aboard.
You're gonna make me walk back.
You're welcome now.
Take a selfie with the
Here we are. Thank you. Thank you. A little tight in these corners here. You're going to have to kind of turn the corner. Sorry for my finger getting in the way. And here we are in the air conditioner. They have a little vending place there. You can buy stuff. And then this is the motor car. And there's a bunch of restrooms and stuff back there. So this is us sitting on the train. And it's pretty bumpy, people. Like I'm not doing this. How bumpy it is. So if you are prone to, you know, needing a barf bag, you might want to take a Dramamine. And yes, there are bathrooms, several. There's one that's out of order. I hope they haven't fixed it. I had to go to another car with it popping back and forth like this and trying to squeeze my cheeks, trying to sit on that toilet. It's a little tiny, like airplane style. It's even smaller bathroom. And hitting the walls as I was doing my bed. So, yep, just want you to know. So if you're prone to being sick, this is definitely a bumpy ride. So here we are finally at the little town of Willow. It is now a ghost town. You say that they used to make lumber here, and I feel like if you see all these dragonflies flying around, oh my god, I feel like I'm in dragonfly hell at the moment. Do not like this. It's freaking me out. Ugh. But anyway, so there's lots of little things here you can see. Lots of trains. Uh-oh, it's all aboard now. We're being called. There's the little museum there. You can go in and see all kinds of things about. They're still calling all aboard. All aboard. So here's our big stop in the big metropolis of Willow on the Willow Express ride. And here's the big route today. Like every day, if you take this route, the seaboard, you depart Parrish, arrive in Willow, and then you depart from Willow and arrive in Parrish, or that's certainly what we hope happens. All aboard. This is what we rode in, the Atlantic coastline here in Willow. There's the open air train, and that's really fun, but you know what? I wanted to ride in the air-conditioned train and bring a jacket because it's ice-cold air conditioning, which is really kind of nice. Here's the Railroad Express Agency, the little depot here. And here we are, boarding this deal here. Guys enjoy this little snippet of the Florida Railroad Museum. And again, they have lots of other things that you can choose from. They have a Christmas polar bear kind of North Pole Express kind of thing. And then they have the pumpkin patch.
And then they have all kinds of stuff that you can do as a family. They even have a Valentine's adult dinner. And again, if you've never been to this channel, I sure hope that you will subscribe so I can have some other videos about this great area here in Parrish, Florida. I'm Catherine Newman. Thanks for joining in. See you next time.